I bought every Karambit, folding Karambit knife available at the knife store online. So let's see what I got. There's quite a few of them. So probably have to shake them out. They go from pretty expensive to quite cheap. Like this is a cheaper brand. Let's pull them all out. They stuffed it in here. They go from like $30 all the way up to $150, but most of them around under $100, even $50. So a whole bunch of variety. So let's just do quick unboxing. Let's see what we got. We have fox knife, couple Booker, Smith and Wesson. Let's just go do it. So this is all the knives we have. You know what? Let's start with the Spyderco and CRKT, and then we're gonna try to do it pretty quickly because there's a lot of them. There's a Spyderco. Spyderco is a quality and price is not too far from each other. So this is one of those. Whenever you pull it out from the pocket, this will flick out. There you go, Karambit. Spyderco, that's a beautiful one. Also, there's a little, as you can see, how do you close that? Back lock right here. You can open it this way. It's not a flipper. You kind of have to open it slowly. It's not gonna flick out unless you pull it out of the pocket. You see there's a little clip and it's gonna pull it out and flick it out. Alright, let's see what else we have. CRKT is nice, brand Provoke Zap. Oh, another one right here. This one's they go from about $100 to $250. Depends which one you get. So you put it this way. I got confused for a second, and just flick it out this way. This is a weird one, and look at that. You just press and it will release it. Definitely not fast way to close it, but it is a fun mechanism. As you can see, it will release it right here and you can close it. That's a really nice CRKT. So yeah, let's keep on going. This is a cheaper brand over here, MK1VX. Is that the name of it? That is a weird one. Check this out. Do they want to look like a Spyderco? Is it a back lock? Oh yeah, you could just feel the quality of this thing is cheap and not very comfortable. Kind of too small for my hands. But look at that double clip. That is funny. There's a clip on this side and this side. I never seen that before. So yeah, super skeletony. All this edges kind of it's into my hand, and it's a frame lock. Nothing smooth about this knife. Two hands opener. Yeah, I don't like it. That feels super cheap. There's another one. Hope I didn't buy two of the same ones, exact ones. Now this one looks a little different. What's so special about this one? Nothing. Pretty much the same stuff. Just cheap. What happens? I don't know why I bought two of the same ones, probably by mistake. Okay, I really don't get that stickers on a knife. As long as a knife look good, never been used, it's a new knife. You can tell if it's been used or not. This is Italian knives, from what I understand, at least the designers. Wow, look, this one is a flipper. You gotta have to do a little flick, and it's a liner lock. You see? If you try to push, nothing will happen. That's such a unique design, that's for sure. I like that one a lot. Handle very comfortable. Look at that. That's quite nice. And I probably will have to hold it this way. There's like a spinny things you could do with that. I don't know any spinny motion about that. And also whenever you put it in the pocket, there's a clip. It will grab onto your pants and will open it like that whenever you pull it out. I have demonstrated before in my videos, so I'm not gonna do it again. Okay, how about Bookers? Again, what's up with the stickers? It's not like it's iPhone, it's just a knife. It's solid, it's durable. It's still new after I play with it a little bit. In fact, most of the knife stores usually open them up out of the box. Wow, this is a smooth Boker Plus. That is the smoothest carabiner, and it's a flipper. That's a pretty big, thick blade. I like it. Again, I'll probably be holding it this way or this way. That's nice. That's quite fun. I like that, the way it feels. Yeah, that's my favorite so far. But also the Fox one was good. Look, these guys put 2 stickers on. What's their obsession about stickers? And you know, it's funny, like the cheaper they are, the more stickers you get. And Gerber, like the cheapest knife, they put like zip ties on it. Maybe for safety if it's at Walmart and stuff, so people cannot take them out. But the more expensive they are, the less stickers you have, just a regular box. Oh wow, this one is unique. I wanted to show you guys. It has this kind of like sideways a little bit. I like that. But yeah, it has a little carabiner. Not a flipper, just a frame lock, thumb studs. But yeah, it is really tough. You see, there's just different stuff. It's also Boker Plus. I just meant to be open slowly. Smaller handle right here. It's kind of comfortable. Let's tie it this way. Pretty cool. There you go. I like Boker knives. They're pretty affordable. I think this one is way cheaper than the other, but you never know. Okay, let's go to Smith & Wesson. They stayed up, put piece of tape on. Again, probably for safety. Not like security that is new. That's funky. Nope, not a phone flipper. Kind of. Nope. Just this way right here. Quite tough to open it. There you go. Feels cheap. Whatever. That's cool. Kind of same thing than the other ones. Not super special. What about this one? Again, hopefully I didn't buy exactly the same ones. This is SK33, SK32S. Okay, that's different stuff. I just bought everything was available. Okay, you see, same brand. This one look way better. And let's see, this one is much smoother too. Liner lock. I wouldn't flick it out. Beautiful. Not as big as the other ones, but yeah, that one is way better. It feels way better. Smith & Wesson. Okay, what's up with that Riva? Look, fancy, nice box too. So this is a front lock. Ooh, it's a flipper too. I'm supposed to probably hold it this way. Yeah, that is a really thick blade. I like that. There you go. So, frame lock. This one is also pretty smooth and it's easy to flip. Let's see. Yeah, that's nice. That's a really nice Karambit over here for sure. Let's keep on going. It's pretty famous brand. You see? I like it when there is no stickers. Easy to open it, easy to put it back away. Oh wow, this one is kind of like a unique one. It has carabiner, but it's like built in without that cheap stuff. It's actually nice and big. You can just put it onto your like survival backpack. Let it hang there. That's kind of nice. Soft clip and flipper. Ooh, it wants to flip out all the way. Oh my gosh, that thing actually flipped out all the way. So that's a flipper Karambit. Definitely unique design for a Karambit for sure. Wouldn't put a finger into here or won't be doing spinny things with that. I probably wouldn't do spinny things with it anyways. That flicks out so well. You see that? That's a really nice, unique knife. I like that a lot. And that brand, I honestly didn't expect much from it. They definitely surprised me with that one. Okay, another cheaper one. Come on, come on. Oh, that's cool. I actually like that. Sometimes even the cheaper brands can make something unique. You see? This is like kind of like a butterfly type of thing. It looks in here. This thing is funky for sure. Pretty small, but it's pretty comfortable even for my big hands. And how do we open it? There's a button. Wow, no way. That is cool. I think I reviewed one of those before. This is definitely feels a little bit different. High quality too. How do you lock it up? There you go. It just locks up on this side. Definitely locks up pretty slowly, but very unique. I really like that a lot. Looks like you can remove the clip, put it over here. That's surprisingly awesome. Like that one a lot. Okay, couple more left. Security tape. Gotta open up. It's hilarious. I don't know why they put tape on the boxes. Never will understand this tape. Okay, that one is big. That one is really big. Look at that. It's almost like 90 degrees. It's huge. I know. There you go. Pretty unique. Okay, and another one. Artisan Cutlery. Ooh, look at that box. Let's take up a metal tin box. Artisan Cutlery have surprised me. I didn't know they're actually quite nice brand of knives. This is why it's so nice to open them up. Look at that baggie. It's a nice pouch. Ziploc bag and everything. Wow, that is a nice knife. So this is same thing as the other one. Look, they fully oiled it up. And this is just a much better like handle. I guess it's carbon fiber. Wow, that's smooth. Liner lock. What steel is this? It says China M390. So let's see. Got past that lock. It is a smooth knife. Can I open it this way? Not really. But it is much smoother knife than this one. That's pretty much same thing, except just a little different. Look how oily that is. Man, China have oiled this thing up. I guess it has to come a long ways to get here. And I really like that knife, I guess. And I really like that carabiner hook. That's definitely one of a kind. Super smooth. Wow. I had quite a few favorite ones. Let me know in comments below what do you think about these Karambits. Do you own one? Which one do you like? But yeah, there's quite a few really nice ones, hard to choose. But yeah, thank you for watching. Let me know what do you think, and I'll see you next time.